A Chery car challenge at China's famous Tianmen mountain has gone viral for all the wrong reasons. On November 12th, a brand new Chery Fullwind X3L test vehicle was attempting to climb the legendary Heavenly Ladder, a staircase with 999 steep, narrow steps, but things took a scary turn. Videos shot by tourists quickly spread online, showing the SUV failing to make the climb. Instead, it slid backwards, crashing into and breaking a protective railing on the side of the stairs. According to people at the scene, the car was stuck there for about 2 hours. For this event, the popular tourist spot was actually closed to the public on both November 12th and 13th. So, what is this Heavenly Ladder? It's a seriously challenging route. We're talking 999 steps, stretching nearly 300 meters long, with a vertical drop of 150 meters. The steps are often wet, only 30 centimeters wide, and have an average gradient of 45 degrees. Some parts are even steeper, hitting over 60 degrees. It's a climb that even powerful off-road vehicles rarely attempt. The car involved, the Chery Fullwind X3L, is a new model that just launched in September. Chery's own executives had previously talked about how this Tianmen Mountain Challenge would be the ultimate test of the car's power, handling, and four-wheel drive system. After the incident, Chery Automobile released an official apology. They explained that the accident wasn't caused by the car failing, but by a safety equipment malfunction. A shackle on the safety rope's anchor point unexpectedly came loose. This caused the rope to get tangled in the car's right wheel, which cut off the power and made the vehicle slide backwards into the railing. Thankfully, Chery confirmed that no one was hurt, and there was no damage to the natural environment. The company admitted they didn't properly assess all the risks of holding such a test in a public scenic area. They've taken full responsibility, expressing deep regret for the damage to the site, and promising to repair the railing and cover all costs. It's a stark reminder of the risks involved when car promotions push the limits in sensitive locations. What do you think about brands using public landmarks for these kinds of extreme tests? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.